Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I'm a medical doctor. Today we will discuss on the foundation of the book and program I have designed, that is the human health. We will look into why I have written this book, what is the background of the book, what is the foundation. Mainly we will be looking into the reasons. What is the difference that makes this book different from other books? In our evolutionary history, human being is formed, or the Homo sapien gene pool is stabilized 3 lakhs years ago. Before that, there were other forms of human beings, but we will not talk on that. Let's consider the human being is formed, the gene pool is stabilized of Homo sapiens is formed 3 lakhs years ago. Until last 1150 years, that is 11,500 years ago, we were hunter gatherers. We were hunting, we were gathering fruits, vegetables, other things from the savannas, and we were eating them. We have started planting the trees, and agriculture has developed only 11,500 years ago, and we have started domesticating animals, that is farming the animals, cutting them and eating them only 10,000 years ago. And the human beings were adapted, not adapted, we cannot say it is adapted. We have started eating the processed food just 150 years ago. That too, highly processed food and synthetic food is available to human beings only 75 years ago. So throughout our history, our bodies and our metabolism, our physiology is adapted to eat and digest only the food we have eaten through after this 3 lakhs years, before 11,500 years. And also the food is not available to us 24/7. So we used to get in our ancestral days, maybe once in a day, once in 2 days, once in 3 days, once in a week. So that was the pattern. The food was never available 24/7. And also there was no intermittent snacking, like taking 3 meals a day. It was not possible. In between the meals you are eating something else. It was also not possible. So these are the changes which are developed only 75 years ago, and our metabolism was never adapted to this. After food, coming to exercises. What kind of exercises we were adapted? We used to travel very long distances, maybe some hundreds of miles on walk. Occasionally when we encounter a predator, we used to run, which can be simulated in current situation as HIIT, high intensity interval training. Our exercises were also the exercises which we think that are healthy nowadays are also not our exact ancestral exercises, though the exercises which we are doing are different, and our bodies are not adapted to such type of exercises as well. And coming to sleep there was no nightlife, there was no mobile phones. We used to sleep early, we used to wake up early, and there was no light at night. So our bodies were not designed or not adapted to such kind of environments. And also stress. There was stress in our ancestral area, to our ancestors, but the type of stress we have are different. So there was no continuous stress in our ancestral area. There was stress, there was brief stress, cortisol is produced, and the stress is gone, cortisol comes down to normal. But what is happening now? Due to continuous stress, the cortisol levels in the blood are constantly high, to which our bodies are not adapted. And next, other things. There are other things like cold showers. We were never adapted to take hot baths. We were adapted to take cold showers. In this way, the way which we are living now and the way our bodies are adapted are completely different. So how the program and the book helps you to become healthy and to stay healthy is by giving the practical tips and the knowledge behind the knowledge of our ancestors, and how we can adapt those lifestyles, food habits, exercise, sleep in the current scenario. In our modern lifestyle, how do we adapt, or how do we change our lifestyle so that the changed lifestyle fit into the original body mechanism, physiology we were designed. So this is a book. We have both in the form of book and also in the form of program, The Human Health. This is how to become healthy and how to stay healthy.